Hello everyone, this is Shalonda. What we're going to do, we're going to trace the cover of the Dollar Tree notebooks, the glitter ones that are only in stock during back to school. And we're actually going to make our own cover for it using the cardstock that Michaels have. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to trace and scale 5 if you have it. And I'm just going to choose my image. And I got it labeled as the cover. And when I choose the notebook cover, this is going to trace it for me. I'm going to trace it, put it in here, and I'm just going to export it so that I can upload it into Design Space. I've already done one, so I'm just going to name it something different. Notebook cover trace for YouTube. I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to go into Design Space. And I'm going to upload it. And as you can see, I've tried several different ways to do this, but this way right here is the best way for me. So here's our notebook. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the width of it to the actual size of the notebook. The notebook is 8 by 10.4.54 is what this here, but I did it at 10.4. All right, we're going to hit make it. I'm going to let it print from my computer, and I'm going to come back with what it looks like printed out from the Cricut machine, and I'll actually record it so that you all can see the entire process. So that part will be in the second video to this.